Congratulations! You've reached a new checkpoint. If you have your Symphony Math Journal, it's time to turn to a new page. If you don't have a journal, you can use a new piece of paper. To start, write this message on the top of your paper. You can use number lines. Draw this number line on your paper. You can use dot cards too. Draw these dot cards on your paper. And you can also use number bars. Draw these number bars on your paper. Now try your own. Think of a number, any number. Write that number on your paper, and then draw a dot card and a number bar to match.